welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya BSF seizes forged Indian currency notes in East Janta Hills. Wailing ambulance caught up in traffic jam on the scrutiny day in Nongpo. Film festival to be held from the 14th to 18th March. And 379 candidates successfully files nomination with required documents. And now the news in detail. Vigilant troops of BSF Meghalaya confiscated fake Indian currency notes of face value rupees 55,000 from the international border of East Janta Hills, Meghalaya. During the night hours on 7 of Feb 2023, troops of 172 BN BSF detected suspicious movement of miscreants from Bangladesh headed to India. Upon challenging, they fled away to Bangladesh, taking advantage of the nightfall. On searching the area, BSF recovered a bag containing 105 fake Indian currency notes in denomination of rupees 500. FIR was lodged at PS Umkyang and the fake currency notes were handed over to the police. An ambulance was stuck in a traffic jam caused by crowds of people supporting their leaders on the scrutiny day in Nongpo. It is disappointing to witness a sorry state of affair when an ambulance in an emergency got stranded in the middle of crowds and surrounded by vehicles in a traffic jam in Nongpo. There were no traffic police present at the scene and the wailing ambulance could not compete with the magnifying sound of the crowd. Commander Shangpliang, President of Meghalaya Filmmakers Association, announced on the 8th of February to organize the Meghalaya International Film Festival from the 14th to the 18th of March. On this day, Manik Singh, the Regional Director, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, announced the logo and website of the festival. Commander Shangpliang urged the school-going students and college students to proceed and watch the movies produced by eminent directors of the world. He informed that on the stipulated days, 70 numbers of movies will be streamed, which will include international-based movies, national and regional-based movies.
Puro ini jing terpat ba nariya kipai ba chung kajalan bakin yawan ban sakhi yang festival hagan ke festival ni kwa ban register lupa ni kwa ya ki samla bakin register gani ke registration in shim shispa di ka tam dari belum kebai baik film dari belum tang bengintip kanongot ki banwan nama ba shi pirsim shispa di ka pila ban pek hagan no hall new public film free nangta ni yakini ki samla ki register in ailo ka sha ka do ki te ita shispa dikan long ayu long tang bangin yo bandip ya ka registration te nga kwa ban khot ya ki samla ki bapule ki college nangta ki bapule ki school ba per bakin ban saki ya ka festival makin don lu ki student na ki we ki jela ki ba kwa ro bapin yo ka interaction ha preng jompi bakin don lu ki director ki ba paunam ki banwan kentup na ka Bollywood ban nasyabaro hak ba pila bani interact baki ndaladat ka film pila bani kran bani pin interact ese pila ban keli kan inspire ye pi khamtam la fi kwa ban long shna film te kadi ka jingtmu ka ba ngi kwa ban long ini ka festival ko magalong kamni tang kata ba ong ba tamasa nai kumno bangin bil ya kata ka film industry ha ka jala ka jungi bat ngi scam bat ngi yo i ba kadon ka jingkerman ka jala ka jungi bat ha ngadon ke jingkermen pa lada gilala shisha bandon di kisnama hall hak leng di jaka kani ke industri ki jungi kan sakiu bat ki babun la se kilala ban plan ru ba acting kan de ka wain ki career ki jogi hadu mental la se ngala ban ong ki babun ki samla lada ki plan ki career jogi hak acting hoi kadang kampat da ai that ni kata kamai na kamta jogi ringa ngai skam nomination man bala da giladon ki jaka pani ki babiang ki samla ki badon sap ki la ban plan ru ka career nam ta jogi.
It is evident from news received all over the state of Meghalaya that 379 candidates have filed their nominations with all the necessary papers. The last date of elimination will be held on the 10th of March. The district with the highest number of candidates is East Khasi Hills with 102 candidates. Women candidates who have filed their nominations crossed over 37 from all over the state. All the candidates from East Khasi Hills who have filed their nominations for the 2023 MLA elections to be held on the 27th of February have completed the scrutiny today at the working office of the DC, Shillong and all over the state.
Hagakot! Hagakot! Hagakot!
Rivals emerged amongst the supporters of different political parties all over the state of Meghalaya. The traces of small differences sparked from Charbatapara under Phulburi constituency amongst few supporters of NPP and AITC. According to the news reports, the dispute arose between the supporters of NPP and AITC, whereby NPP supporters stroked Norzul Hoque. This incident took immediate notice to the police authority with an FIR to subside the brawl and capture the perpetrators involved in this act.
আমরা তো টিএমসির মানুষ আমার বাড়ির মধ্যে বিল্ডিং ওরা দল ভাই আসে আমার বাড়ির মধ্যে অত্যাচার বাড়ি ঘর ঢেলে ভাঙেই বাড়ির চেহার টেহার টেবিল চেয়ার সব ভাঙি সারখার আর আমার পানির বাড়ি সব ডালে
কি দিয়ে ঢালাছে
পাথর ইট কাঁচা নিচে নিজের হাতে আছে এমপির মানুষই করছে।
Leaders of KSU War Mausau filed an FIR to the coordinator of Karuna Trust, a company that the Meghalaya government entrusted to regulate the PHC in War Mausau, to immediately remove Dr. Angukato Yepthomi from office on grounds of poor working performance.
Di kejingwan ni jungi ni Shillong mendagasi namanta kejingwan jungi bani kendu ya ga wei ke company ke ba shimti ya ka War Mausau PHC kata ketika Karuna Trust di negara ni jungi kum ki di kot jama KSU berkisah semua di dalam ni kapor ban kapor sekapor ban iyo shibut ki jing ujor hak bede berka jing trekam jongka teka hospital ko shimti daga Karuna Trust di habangilam kita ki jing ujor ni kiwan ki jing ujor nan pepa long dalade jong kmat ni letpek ni khmi long bangilap shibut ki jing na han teka PSC nama ketika PSC kaba haba ketika orang usaha kita hadu arpoteli Shillong ki dipek jong ketika PSC kaba kentuk artli ki subsentar kaba subsentar belum ka model subsentar berkarani bari subsentar apa podar berasam di nyilam bah ketika hospital lomba main point ke bangwan ne lomba kejingkrikam jonggo insya jong ketika hospital ko warmusau ubah kerteng ko Dr. Angukato Yepthomi ubade naga ladon dan asisten tam ketika hospital ko insya jongka kejingkrikam jonggo ba kimi tulba jong ketika dong kathan kimdon kejisnya kejingkrikam jonggo namar ba ulong upre ubong long diskill aga kam jam jonggo kum doktor mar nilap pun sen ba une ke jingle jonggo kum doktor untuk pa aga kumno ban duty lagi jong ke kamram kum doktor po waram sa PSC kata konstan ke ba wan sini ingin lagi lesha po syaga office jongka karena terus menne ba ujor hal tani ba nayang jungi ki kisen balang ba ki rirung ba ki badon jong ketika shno ngata ba po kati ke area PSC ngidawa ba une doktor ba ngin kwa shu bundon ha po agani ka hospital nama lada udang don une yo se ni lapshibun ki jinginjar jingte ki don dikhai ji ba po ga CSC karena terus dari bentak iki doktor ki ba biang ki ba la ban ai ka service na banta upai ba jong ketika dong kathai nya jungi ban ngidawa ru ba lada long ka bola ba mar ketika shnong ka bekendong ba bun ba ki bru ki ba dang dunah ka tin ketelik lada ki pa da ki wei per ki jet mreu ka shimjing e yangi kumbino shishnong dong ketika thai tengi kwa ba kane ka company lada kadang pa iki doktor ba kidi ban pa ya ude ba ukasi khara bingila bersentuh ya ten ketelik bingila pani keren nak dagar kom ke ba kiwe ki ber bomtik ya ka ten ketelik da ten nongwe ikila pani sentuh ya ten ketelik te kata ke di cinta wa ka chingi ngai yang jongki pai ba pan yang jingki sen mulang ki dot te ka area ka chingi bar chibun ki ki bingha pan pau ne ko por long ba ke jingdunaru habaide bat ka umbang umdi ba po hospital long ba ka umru kambiang nang ta ki kalai ro kambiang nangta ka ambulan ru adu menta ngam dabiang haba syakri yo paiba jong de kadong kathan ka juni berkumju ru kadawai kambiang poliur ngilapun sin ba ki bapang wisdom di haptiet di dawai nagi farmasi nagi private farmasi di kadon kejing shibun ba yaki nompang wisdom ki bawan hagate ka area lane hapo ketiga hospital kajni dan mar kata ni dawa ba kani company lada kadang kuat ban ai ka service ko biang shop ba jong katong kedai ketai kaji kedai ban biang lut kita ki boro ki chinun kam lada kam la ban ai ka service ko biang nangaliam jungi hi kum gino shishno ki bron de area ni ailat yamanta lada kam la ban syakri ko biang ya gani ka hospital yani ka company ngimla shi biang ya gani company bat ni thaula ni persang thaula lagi we pat kumno ban wara ya ka company biang lani ngi dawa ya ka sarkar hi ya ka department health department ba kin wara no daga government hospital.
Meghalaya Trinamool Congress is pleased to announce that Bhupendra B. Hajong, a former BJP MDC from Zigzag and former BJP candidate from Salman Para, joined Meghalaya Trinamool Congress on the 8th of February along with all his supporters in a joining event held in Salman Para, southwest Garo Hills. Meghalaya TMC MLA from Salman Para, Winnasan D. Sangma and Meghalaya TMC MLA from Mahendraganj, Dikanshi D. Shira, inducted the new members into the party.
Hindi tungarong ko arong ang kunuhan na unbaksana talo mungsong pa ansini yano na tumbi muani ya meeting ko ukamani muksunga gedang ukamani pa ansini ex-MDC Bhupendra Hajong aro yano na dentang Mahendraganj ni aro Salman Parani blok ni Dulga Parangba yano genang aro ansing ni ex-MDC ni magapa Cuma belongin selidung kuinga. Aro plak ya nona. Ya. Mahendraganj constituency, aro Salman Para constituency ni. Ya nona tumbaga pa sakanti.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.